In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can make up to $116 per day. What I mean up to, it actually means is what I actually made yesterday. You can make way more money than that per day, but I'm literally just showing you my journey. So this is day 46 on my journey, and I'm going to break down exactly what I'm doing and how it is probably the most passive income I've ever done, hands down. So the other day I made my first video about affiliate marketing, but not in the normal sense. This is called something called affiliate marketing, but with Amazon. And it's not even in the normal Amazon affiliate marketing sense. This is called the influencer program with Amazon. So if you come over here and look right here. So yesterday, date range just yesterday, local. And I guess I can just refresh it just to show you guys. Just waiting for it to refresh so you guys can see that. Okay, cool. $116.38. And then over the time period of this month, so May 1st to the 16th, I've made $1,165.01. And so this is a lot of fun. Honestly, it's the most fun money I've probably made because I'll show you what I'm doing here. So this is called the Amazon Influencer Program. Not everyone can just get in. You have to actually be an influencer, which means you just have to create content for a little bit. And right now, if you check the link down below, there's a workshop that you can check out to see if this is something that you want to learn how to do. I literally took the chance on it because I was a little bit skeptical before, and I'm already in the green. Like, I've already by far made my money back. So it's a lot of fun, fun to learn. It's a lot easier as long as you show up and actually just do it. And I don't throw this out willy-nilly, but you're guaranteed to succeed if you just do videos. And I'll tell you why. But this is called the Amazon Influencer Program, and you just upload videos and earn commissions. It's insane, actually, compared to what we were all doing before. So upload your product reviews, buying guides, unboxing videos, and more. Videos do not need to be exclusive to Amazon, and you can reuse your existing catalog. So this is super cool. To upload videos on Amazon, influencers must be part of Amazon Influencer Program. If you're not already in the Amazon Influencer Program, just click here to learn more. And so you want to just enrich you may basically have a storefront, and you just put all your reviews on there. So every day I just try to do 5 reviews. Sorry, that's my son. He's a little bit sick today. Every day I try to do a little bit, like 5 reviews. Some days I do more, sometimes I do less. And they're just a minute and a half or 2. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Never in my life have I earned money just every day. I'm so excited to just check how much I made yesterday. Some days I've been making about $60, $70 a day. Some days I've been making 116. So it's been a lot of fun. So basically, whenever people are scrolling through Amazon, your videos can place on the very bottom. And so people can see, like, hey, what is this product about? Is this something I want to do? What are some insights, whether I want to buy it or not? So these are red hot, targeted, very people who are on the brink of buying. And so basically, as influencers, we're just here to say, hey, this is what it is what I think about it, why I bought it, if it's in good condition. And, if it's for you, then recommend it. And so that's all we're doing is helping conversions. And so you just learn all these different ways to make simple videos, and it doesn't have to be. You can hear my son right there. It doesn't have to be, like this with all the thumbnails and stuff. It could be very normal. So yeah, so that's the Amazon Influencer Program. So this is my page here. Just my picture there. Made a very simple background, and all I'm doing is uploading simple review videos about toys, books, board games, my wife's lotions and shampoo and conditioner, everything possibly I can get my hand around the house. And they're very easy. They're like, I don't know, 2 minutes. And you just tell them, what you like about it. If it's a good book, who do you recommend it to? Why did you buy it? What kind of condition is it? Is it worth their time? Things like that. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. And so, that's pretty much it. So the nice thing about it is if you do this on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, well, not really YouTube. YouTube is pretty good too, but basically you make a video and after a couple of weeks, it just goes away. It just diminishes into the world. It's called shelf life. The shelf life of videos on TikTok, Instagram, whatever those short form content platforms are, is very small. The cool thing about this is the shelf life of Amazon is infinite. So if you can have your video rank for the product, then it will just always be there. People can click on it. And I mean, it's a beautiful thing. I love it. And so this is something, my goal for this program is to scale it. I started on April 1st. And the first month I made like $170. This month I'm on track to, like I said, let's go back. 1,165 halfway through the month. So you can see how far this is scaling. I have about 300 2-minute videos. Super simple. Anyone can do it, even if you're a complete newbie. And then my goal is by the end of January, because I'm having another child, I want to help give my wife more time. And that's pretty much the goal. I want to scale this to about 1,200. Let's see. I want to basically scale this to 1,250 videos and see what kind of monthly income that generates for me. And so just remember this. You guys can follow my journey. Stick around to see for fun. If this is something for you, if you're interested, go ahead and check out the workshop. That's how I got started. Skeptical as could be. It took me a year to freaking join this, which I am so pissed at myself for doing. I wish I started this when my buddy showed me it. And like I said, I was just a little bit skeptical, really beating myself up about it because I missed out on so much income. And like I said, this is the closest to guaranteed income you could possibly have, because the more videos that you create, the more money you will make. It's just that simple. And we have over, I believe, 300 something people in our community who is just every day making money. The post on our Facebook group is literally just insane. So having a ball, having a blast. My wife is seeing me do all these Amazon reviews. Finally, all the money that she's spending is coming back to us. So it's a lot of fun. So my son's feeling a little bit sick, so I'm going to jump off here. I just wanted to give you guys the update. $116 yesterday. I'll show you guys what we make tomorrow. But make sure you guys follow in for the journey. Like I said, I'm here for you, raw, in person, just wanting you guys to see all the different options that you can create for yourself online. And so I would get started on this journey for yourself. If you don't have any kind of social media whatsoever, just start posting once a day and start getting a small following. Join the workshop, see if it's something you want to do so that we can help you on your journey, and utilize Amazon, all the beautiful, beautiful things that Amazon is doing for us, and all the different things that the doors that are opening up so that we can, help customers get what they want. We get a small cut of it, and Amazon, the $1 billion company per day, is flourishing, like always. So let me know if you have any questions. Stay tuned for the next videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Report to the dance floor, the bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going airborne.